everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am participating in another collaboration, and the collaboration is titled Take Me to Paris, and it's hosted by Diva's Dynasty. Okay, and the ladies of Diva Dynasty is Diva Decorating. It's also Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Mysterious Alberta, and also Lynn's Lifestyle Living. And I will be linking all of their channels in the description box below, so make sure you go over and show them some love. All right, so what they wanted us to do was to use the color pink in our tablescape. It can be flowers, tablecloth, runner, napkins, plates. All right, and also display an Eiffel Tower. All right, so I'm going to be showing you my Take Me to Paris table. I've also used some DIY items that I DIY'd as my centerpiece, and I hope that you all like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know how you like my tablescape. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor, you will see some home decor, you will see balloon designs, and also you will see tablescapes. I love tablescapes, all right? So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Everything that you see here on my table is items that I've already had at my home, so I did not have to go out and purchase anything. You can make things beautiful without having to go out and purchase any new items. So these are items I've already had, and I just decided to use them on my tablescape for today. These centerpieces are what I did, my DIY. All I did was add some glitter to them. My vases, that's my Eiffel Tower. And the pink wine glasses you see is what I purchased from IKEA back in March. And I will be linking in the card section as well as in the description box my other tablescapes where I use some of these items. So make sure you go over and check it out.